Welcome to Zoo Zoo Kids Stories.
Clap, 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 stamp your feet. Welcome to the farm so sweet. Spin around, jump up high, wave hello to the sunny sky.
A cow is big, she goes moo, moo, moo. The baby cow is called a calf. Dog goes woof and loves to run. The baby dog is called a puppy. Fun, fun, fun. The cat says meow and loves to play. The baby cat is a kitten. Yay, yay, yay! Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. The horse says neigh and runs so fast. The baby horse is a foal.
Zoo Pass.
The pig goes oink in the muddy pen. The baby pig is a piglet. Then and then. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. The sheep says baa in field so wide. The baby sheep is a lamb of pride. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. The hen says cluck all day long. A baby hen is a chick.
Sing this song.
The donkey says hee haw, strong and tall. The baby donkey is a foal, small and small.
Clap, 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 stamp your feet. Welcome to the farm so sweet. Spin around, jump up high, wave hello to the sunny sky.
It's a party on the farm today.
Dance with the animals, shout hooray! Clap, 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 stamp your feet. Welcome to the farm so sweet. Spin around, jump up high, wave hello to the sunny sky.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more such videos.